Welcome to another edition of Nature's Own Home Workouts. Here's a short snippet from a larger group exercise, y'all. Teamwork makes the dream work. Team exercises are excellent for motivation, coordination, and elevation. I've even read in one study that team exercises help boost your endorphins. So stay diligent, stay vigilant, and find someone to work out if you can't find the will to do it on your own. Shout outs to the young men in the video. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Nature's Own Home Workouts.